Find or read reviews that people are talking about MACHPRO 21.6 inches remote control lawn mower with 9 HP hybrid gas-electric power. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because it has the following features. Ultra-long 600 meters remote control range. Equipped with an advanced industrial-grade 2.4 GHz remote control system boasting an operational range of up to 600 meters or 1,968 feet. Allows operators to effortlessly manage landscaping tasks from a safe, comfortable distance, completely eliminating the hazards of working on steep highway slopes, unstable embankments, or terrains with hidden debris. Innovative gas-electric hybrid system. Engineered with an intelligent hybrid drive system optimized for maximum efficiency. The machine utilizes battery-powered electric motors for quiet, energy-saving low-speed maneuvering and transport. When performing high-speed, heavy-duty mowing, the high-horsepower gasoline engine engages to drive the industrial blades, while simultaneously recharging the battery system. Adjustable cutting height and reinforced deck. Designed with a highly versatile adjustable cutting height mechanism ranging from 20 to 150 mm or 0.78 to 5.9 inches. This allows operators to easily customize the mowing deck based on specific turf conditions, from manicured estate lawns to dense, overgrown brush, ensuring a uniform, clean cut without clogging or stalling. All-terrain tracked stability and heavy-duty build. Built upon a rugged, reinforced all-steel chassis with high-traction industrial rubber tracks that distribute weight evenly. This heavy-duty slope mower effortlessly conquers inclines up to 45 degrees without slipping, making it the perfect remote control solution for orchards, vineyards, river banks, and complex commercial forestry environments. Advanced EPA-compliant engine and electric start. Features a powerful heavy-duty gasoline engine delivering 9 horsepower, HP, and exceptional torque for demanding landscaping. Equipped with a reliable electric start system for effortless, hassle-free ignition every time. Fully compliant with EPA environmental standards, ensuring low emissions and sustainable performance for North American commercial and residential use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.